Welcome children. This video is for the classes 7 and 8 for the subject science. Topic is physical and chemical changes. This is video 4. Your learning goals: introduction, physical changes, characteristics of physical changes, chemical changes, characteristics of chemical changes. Let us begin with the introduction part. All the substances are made up of matter. Matter is everywhere. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. Matter constantly experiences change. Matter exists in solid state, liquid state, gaseous state, and in plasma state. Here are some examples for understanding that matter undergoes change. First one, a stretched rubber band wherein the length changes. Next, burning of fuels. For example, when firewood is burned, it forms ash. Clouds, when cold, condense to form rain. Making of sugar solution, in which sugar dissolves in water. So these are some examples where you can find matter undergoing change. Now let us understand what is a physical change. A change in which a substance undergoes a change in its physical properties such as shape, size, color and state is called a physical change. Now let us understand what are the characteristics of physical change. No new substance are formed, chemical composition does not change, may or may not be reversible, shape, size, volume, density may change. These points will be more clear with examples in the further slide. Boiling of water. When water is being boiled, it forms water vapor. It turns from liquid state to gaseous state. Chemically, water is H2O. Water vapor as well is H2O chemically. So there is no change in composition, that is in the chemical composition. Only the state changes, and it is the reversible change because water vapor can be cooled and then it can form water. Hence, it is a reversible change. Next is chopping of wood. When wood is being chopped, it forms smaller pieces. There is difference in the size, and this is an irreversible because we cannot get back the bigger piece from the smaller piece. Next example is of water. Water when freezed, it forms ice. Chemically, water is H2O. Ice as well is chemically H2O. There is no change in the chemical composition, only there is change in the state from liquid to solid. This is also a reversible because ice can melt and then form water again. Next example is bending of a rod. Here the shape changes. So in case of boiling of water, state changes. In the second example, chopping of wood, the size changes. And in the third example, water to ice, state changes. In the fourth example, that is bending of rod, shape changes. Here are few more examples of physical change. Breaking glass. Here, glass breaks into smaller pieces. There is change in the size of the glass. Sublimation of dry ice. Let us understand what is a sublimation. Some of the solids, when heated directly, they turn into gaseous state. This process is sublimation. Okay. Dry ice is nothing but solid carbon dioxide, and when heated, this turns into gaseous carbon dioxide. So it turns from solid state to liquid state. There is no change in the chemical composition. It converts from solid state to gaseous state. Next example is crushing a can. When can is crushed, it undergoes change in the shape and size. Dissolving sugar, already we have discussed earlier, it is an example for physical change. Now let us understand what is a chemical change. Another kind of change. A change in which one or more new substances are formed is called a chemical change. Now let us know what are the characteristics of chemical change. New substances are formed with entirely new properties. They are irreversible. That is, once the substance undergoes change, we cannot get back the original substance. They may release or absorb heat. They may release gases. color change may also take place. These points will be more clear with the examples in the further slides. Burning of paper is an example. When paper is being burned, it forms ash. The chemical composition of paper is different. The chemical composition of ash formed is different. We cannot get back the paper from the ash formed. So this is an irreversible change, which is also a chemical change. Rusting of iron is another example. Iron, when exposed to moisture and air, chemical change takes place. A brown layer is formed of ferric oxide. So it is a chemical change. Ripening of fruits. The biochemical substances present in the plant ripen the fruits. Okay, so this is also a chemical change. Curdling of milk. Milk contains lactose sugar. When you curdle the milk, lactose is converted to lactic acid. It becomes from liquid state to semi-solid state. So this is an irreversible change. We cannot get back milk from the curd. Okay. So all these are examples of what? Chemical change. Here we have got one more example. All of you know magnesium metal, children. Magnesium metal is made up of magnesium atoms. When you burn magnesium metal, you get white powder of magnesium oxide. We cannot get back magnesium from magnesium oxide. So there is change in the chemical composition here from magnesium to magnesium oxide. Okay, so this is the one more example for chemical change. So I hope all the concepts are clear, children. Okay, now let us go to worksheet. Here we have got 4 questions to be solved. First one, what are physical changes? Give some examples. What are chemical changes? Give some examples. What are the characteristics of physical changes? What are the characteristics of chemical changes? Solve this and preserve. Thank you, children.